The Qianli Mega Idea Super IR Cam 2's Pro stands out as a revolutionary device designed for the quick diagnosis of motherboard issues. This article delves into the key features of this advanced infrared thermal imaging analyzing camera, highlighting its 3D PCB short-circuit diagnosis capabilities and its potential impact on the electronics repair industry. At the heart of the Qianli Mega Idea Super IR Cam 2's Pro lies its infrared thermal imaging camera. This cutting-edge technology allows technicians to visualize and analyze the heat distribution on the surface of electronic components, offering valuable insights into the health of the motherboard. By capturing thermal data, the camera enables users to identify anomalies, hotspots, and potential issues related to overheating or faulty connections. One of the standout features of this diagnostic tool is its 3D PCB short-circuit quick diagnosis capability. In electronics repair, identifying short circuits swiftly is crucial for efficient troubleshooting. The Qianli Mega Idea Super IR Cam 2's Pro streamlines this process, allowing technicians to pinpoint short circuits on the motherboard with precision. This not only saves valuable time, but also enhances the accuracy of diagnostics, leading to more effective repairs. Equipped with an analyzing camera, this tool goes beyond basic thermal imaging. The analyzing camera function provides technicians with the tools needed to interpret captured thermal data effectively. Whether it's analyzing temperature differentials, locating potential faults, or assessing overall motherboard health, the Qianli Mega Idea Super IR Cam 2's Pro empowers technicians to make informed decisions during the repair process. Designed for professional use, the Qianli Mega Idea Super IR Cam 2's Pro caters to the needs of electronics repair technicians, service centers, and enthusiasts. However, it's crucial to emphasize the importance of adhering to safety guidelines and proper usage protocols. Familiarizing oneself with the user manual and understanding the capabilities of the tool ensures optimal performance and accurate diagnostics, without compromising the integrity of electronic components.